Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2017 Escape Titanium in bronze, and it has a black and gray cloth and leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 4-cylinder all-wheel drive EcoBoost engine. It also has the Canadian Touring package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat has 3 memory positions. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the liftgate release is here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system with volume. You also have paddle shifters located on either side. There's your minus and there's your plus. This is a push start, so I have my foot on the brake, key in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start button. On your dash you're going to see any important messages as well as a menu that'll come up. We can toggle through there. So trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you're seeing the CD player up above, and then you're seeing your screen there that you can touch on, and one of the options is sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius Radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and that'll pop up with a map for you. And then when you put your vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view there. It's going to put us back into park, and then you have your settings, and you can slide across for different options, as well as ambient lighting and display and so forth. You have your volume and tuner, and there's your hazard light, and below that dual climate control, so you can have heat or cool for both passenger and driver, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. You also have AC and max AC and front and rear defrost. Below that is a heated steering wheel, auto stop start for better fuel economy, and traction control. Down in your cubby, USB and 12-volt outlet to power up and connect devices. Automatic shifter, electronic parking brake, a couple of cup holders, and when it's getting a little dark you're going to see that ambient light at the bottom there. Your armrest opens up in 2 positions. There's the shallow, and then you click to the other side for the deeper. You've got more storage and a 12-volt as well as a USB outlet. Off to the side is your glove compartment, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, lighting controls. Just going to press on it the right way there. Sunglass holder, and when you'd like a little bit of fresh air, simply push the button and your sunroof will tilt and slide out of the way. 19-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below that Ford logo. You have backup sensors on your bumper and dual exhaust. When you want to open up that hatch, you can do so from inside. Double click your fob, or you can give it a little kick. It powers it open, and inside it's nicely carpeted. You're seeing the tonneau cover that you can slide across for security and hiding things that might be in the back. You've got a light and a 12-volt, extra carpeted mats and clips to be able to tether things. And when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle up to the right, a button you can push to the left. Again, you can give it a little kick, and it chimes to let you know that it's going down. And then you can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily bring down the headrest with a push of a button, and then the lever at the base of the seat will bring it right down. You now have access to the back storage area, extra carpeted mats back there, as well as a tonneau cover, and there's an anchor on the back of the seat should you want to tether baby seats. Easily lift the seat with one hand and push up, and the headrest just flips up again. The armrest has a couple of cup holders, and on the back of the front seat, slim pockets for extra storage, a 110 outlet as well as air vents. Up above, hooks, handles, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side capless easy fuel gas filler. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with Blindspot information system, HID headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.